Police on most occasions have the upper hand on anyone that they come up against. Well, let's see what happens when they come up against cute, cuddly, furry opponents. That's right, let's see what happens when police take on animals. Since blowing up on TV, Peppa Pig's been on a few adventures, including this one, leading police on a wild chase through suburbia.
Squeeze him! Get him! Get him! No, a good bite, but where's the garbage can? I'll distract him. Oh, you shit. He's tired. Oh, it's a standoff. It's a standoff. It's a standoff. Get him in there. Get him, Mike. Yeah.
I really need our sticks, but I'm pushing it.
Now what do we do?
On the loose llama has no intentions of cooperating with these police officers.
Fairfax 1, we're overhead. We got the llama. Stand by for an address.
Come here, Mr. Llama. Oh, so close!
Expired December 16th.
Oh, come on. Oh, so close. Oh, there you go. What? Oh, one, llama's putting up a fight, but I think they got him.
We got it. Come on, buddy. We are good. Okay.
So, are we going to the shelter or are we going to pen?
Shelter. I mean, he ran probably. I mean, who knows how long he's been out?
I don't know how long he's been out.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
I would have hoped someone would have reported a loose llama.
Traffic cop gets a little more than he bargained for when this routine stop on a driver attracts a not-so-friendly turkey.
I stopped you for your speed right over here. Okay. Here. Take it.
This footage reveals the moment that a bin diving bear gives police officers the fright of their lives.
Yeah, a little over halfway out.
Gravity helped him get in, but also gravity kept him from getting back out that little hole.
That is t-shirt. Okay.
He's a local bear that everybody kind of knows of in the area.
Yeah. He can lift the lid himself. So, get attractive. Got the lock off here, but it's just like I'm thinking is like he needs to go back in. T-shirt. Go back in, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. There we go. Nice, Joe. He's starting to go. There he goes. He's gonna go down. And he's gonna come out. Oh yeah. There we go. Come on, attaboy. Good boy.
We deal with them all the time and we care about the animals, so we just try to do the best we can with it.
Wild Ostrich shows no regard for the law as he leads police on a wild chase down city streets.
Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've ever seen this.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Check out this police chopper footage of a boisterous bovine repeatedly evading police officers. These officers attend an alleged break and enter and find an unusual subject.
There's someone inside. Hey, we got the house running. Come on out.
That's a deer! It's a deer! It's a deer! It's a deer! Stand down!
Go, go, go. Go, come on, come on.
It's closing.
Open the door. Open the door. Oh, golly. Oh. There we go.
Aggravated alligator causes a chaos on a quiet city street.
No, none of us do. It's weird.
Might be a little bigger than the last one I caught.
You do this often?
Go a little higher.
That would handsome man, huh?
If you're still here watching this, I want you to know that I appreciate you, and to show my appreciation, I'm going to keep these videos coming. So to stay caught up, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to turn the notifications on, and we'll see you in the next one.